Enhance bike security with a smart lock that combines advanced technology and convenience. These high-tech locks use Bluetooth, fingerprint recognition, or app-controlled access to ensure only you can unlock your ride. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smart bike locks you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The ZiiLock X is a state-of-the-art smart bike lock designed for ultimate security and convenience. It offers 3 secure unlocking methods: fingerprint, Bluetooth, and a spare key. The 508 dpi capacitive touch panel ensures fast and accurate 0.5-second fingerprint recognition, storing up to 20 fingerprints for easy access. Seamlessly connect the lock to your smartphone via Bluetooth, compatible with iOS 10.0 and Android 6.0 or later, supporting up to 5 paired locks. If the lock loses power, the included key provides a backup unlocking option. For enhanced security, the ZiiLock X features a remote anti-theft alarm system that triggers alerts in response to vibration, breakage, or removal attempts. Users receive real-time notifications via the app, with detection capabilities extending up to 50 yards in open areas. To conserve battery life, the Bluetooth function automatically disconnects when not in use and can be reactivated by pressing the fingerprint pad or shaking the lock. Constructed with advanced alloy steel, this lock resists drilling, twisting, and picking, while the chain withstands up to 12 tons of hydraulic pressure. Ditch the hassle of lost keys and forgotten combinations. Weeylock is your all-in-one smart lock, offering seamless keyless entry via smartphone or key fob. With just one tap on your phone, Weeylock unlocks instantly, letting you hit the road without delay. The included key fob provides an automatic unlocking option for added convenience. Forget about dead batteries. Weeylock's built-in solar panel keeps it charged using both indoor and outdoor light. On a full charge, its lithium battery lasts up to 3 months, ensuring reliable performance. Bike theft is a thing of the past. Weeylock's always-on theft alert, powered by a sensitive motion sensor, triggers a piercing 110 decibel alarm at any unauthorized movement. Built-Tough Weeylock features a reinforced glass fiber and aluminum alloy case, making it shockproof and tamper-resistant. Its AES 128-bit encrypted Bluetooth connection prevents digital hacking. A required 4-digit passcode during pairing adds an extra layer of security. The BrightLoc hybrid bike lock is more than just a security device. It's a versatile companion for cyclists who demand durability and innovation. Engineered with a hardened steel U-lock and a double deadbolt locking mechanism, this lock is built to withstand cutting, prying, and harsh weather conditions. Its standout feature is an advanced 360-degree lighting system, offering unparalleled visibility in low-light conditions. The detachable light modules serve multiple purposes, enhancing safety during night rides and functioning as portable lights for walking or even camping. This hybrid design eliminates the need for separate bike lights, streamlining your gear without compromising security. Designed to adapt, BrightLoc secures your ride against a variety of lockup points, including irregular surfaces like street signs and fences. Its watertight construction ensures reliability in rain, snow, or mud, making it a dependable choice for urban commuters and outdoor adventurers alike. The Linka Lasso Smart Chain Lock redefines security and convenience for cyclists, outdoor enthusiasts, and property owners. Fresh off a successful Kickstarter campaign, this innovative lock secures everything from bikes to motorcycles, garage gates, and water sports equipment with cutting-edge technology and robust materials. Engineered for speed and reliability, the Lasso is 2.4 times faster than traditional chain locks, ensuring quick and effortless security. Unlocking is seamless with 4 versatile methods: smartphone compatibility, Apple Watch integration, the Smart Motion Key, or a phoneless access code for added flexibility. This independently tested lock is both ART and Sold Secure certified, guaranteeing top-tier protection. Designed with high-grade materials, the Lasso stands up to extreme conditions with its IP67 waterproof rating and proven durability against harsh weather. Whether enduring heavy rain, dust, or freezing temperatures, it remains a steadfast protector of your valuables. With a commitment to security and ease of use, the Linka Lasso Smart Chain Lock provides the perfect combination of strength, speed, and smart features. Pealock is a compact and smart electronic lock designed to protect valuable sports equipment. Whether securing a bike, skis, scooter, snowboard, stroller, or even a cart, this device offers a robust solution with advanced security features. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits in a cycling jersey or ski jacket pocket, ensuring protection is always within reach. Equipped with a motion sensor, GPS module, and an integrated alarm, Pealock provides real-time alerts directly to your mobile phone via Bluetooth. If you move beyond Bluetooth range, it automatically switches to GSM mode, allowing notifications through cellular networks. A pre-installed SIM card ensures connectivity, and GPS tracking is free within the app. For extended GSM communication, an optional annual subscription is available, with the first month included free. Security is enhanced by its reinforced strap, which incorporates steel cables and electric wiring, both linked to the alarm system to deter tampering. The durable lock case is made from high-strength materials, ensuring resistance to cutting and forced removal. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.